What is metadata for Premiere Pro web video export? Imagine you spend hours editing a video, and then you want to share it online. But how do you make sure your video is easy to find and properly labeled? That's where metadata comes in. Metadata is like the digital label or tag that describes your video. It includes details such as the title, description, creator, copyright information, and keywords. When you export your video for the web in Adobe Premiere Pro, metadata helps organize and identify your content both during editing and after it's uploaded online. In Premiere Pro, metadata is divided into two main types. The first is clip metadata, which is specific to individual clips. This can include notes, markers, or comments you add while editing. The second is file metadata, which is attached to the entire exported video file. This is stored using a standard called Extensible Metadata Platform, or XMP for short. XMP allows metadata to travel with the file, making it easy to share and manage across different Adobe programs and other software. When you prepare to export your video for the web, you get options to include or exclude certain metadata fields. In the Export Settings dialog box, there is a section dedicated to metadata. Here, you can choose which information to embed in the final file. Common fields include the title, description, contributor, and copyright details. You can also add keywords to improve searchability on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Including rights management information, such as who owns the video or any usage restrictions, is also possible. Keep in mind that not all metadata may be supported in every export format. For example, MP4 files, which are popular for web videos, support some metadata but not all. If you want specific information to appear in your exported video, you should check the export settings and test the output. Sometimes, certain metadata might not be embedded due to format limitations. Adding accurate metadata during export is especially helpful for managing large video libraries. It makes searching for videos easier and helps viewers understand the content at a glance. For example, including a clear title and description can boost your video's visibility on search engines and video platforms. If you need to display information that cannot be embedded directly, you can overlay text or graphics on the video itself. This is useful for showing credits, contact info, or other details visually. Sometimes, exported videos may not retain all the metadata you added. This can happen if the export preset does not support certain fields or if the format limits what can be embedded. To fix this, you can create a custom export preset or use additional tools to add metadata after export. Always preview your final video to confirm that the metadata appears as expected. In short, metadata in Premiere Pro web video exports is a powerful way to organize, identify, and describe your content. Knowing how to add, edit, and verify metadata helps you manage your videos more efficiently. It also makes your videos easier to find and properly attributed online. Whether you are sharing videos for personal projects or professional work, understanding metadata is a key step in the export process.